So if you're looking to render out the wireframe of your object in Blender, you came to the right place. I'm going to show you how to do it as fast and easy as I can. So right now, I am going to select my objects and go into render view here, the render properties, and I'm going to make sure cycles is selected. Unfortunately, this doesn't work in Eevee, so I have to do it in cycles. Then I'm going to scroll all the way down to freestyle, expand that menu if you want to, but you don't really have to, just check off freestyle. Then go over here to your view layer properties, and we're going to scroll down to freestyle again. So now we're going to expand that, make sure it's checked off, and we're going to scroll down to edge type. This is important. We need to define our edges. So we're going to unselect silhouette, crease, border, and select edge mark. Okay, now we need to select our edges and define them. So I have both of my objects selected in object mode. I'm going to switch to edit mode and then select A on my keyboard. Now they're all selected. Next, I have to go to edge up top, expand that, and then mark freestyle edge. Now this will define all of the edges on all of the objects that I wanted to be selected. And that's good. So now it's just a matter of designing our lines. So I'm going to go down to freestyle color. Since my object is dark, I want a light line. So I'm going to go all the way to white for my lines, but you can make them any color you like. Also, I'm going to change the thickness to maybe 2 instead of 3. That is all just a design choice. So play with that a little bit and see what you like. Now I'm going to render image. This part is the last part, and there's one little trick to it, so I'm rendering. And the trick is essentially just to wait it out. Right now it looks like nothing is happening. It looks like it's not working, but it is. It takes a while, but at the very end of the render, you will see your lines pop up at the end. So the overlay comes at the very end. So right now it's still rendering and it's not looking like it's working, but soon it will show. There we go. Okay, so it rendered out the lines and it's perfect, and this is exactly what I was looking for. So I hope this is what you were looking for too, and you guys join me in more videos, and thanks very much.